Meaning of hoo-ha.
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 Hoo-ha. Hoo-ha is a slang term used to describe a fuss or commotion over something relatively unimportant. It can also be used to describe a heated argument or uproar. The term is often used in a lighthearted or dismissive way, and is typically associated with trivial matters or exaggerated reactions to minor issues. For example, someone might say there was a bit of a hoo-ha over which restaurant to choose for dinner. Overall, hoo-ha is a colloquial expression that conveys a sense of mild annoyance or frustration over a situation that is not particularly significant.